Okay, now you've been working on your ID for a bit of time. You're ready to share it with the world. It's public. You've been working on it. You think it's there in terms of how it looks and the content as well. Well, very easy to do. So sharing using the share bar here enables you to basically post a link to your ID with a brief description on basically every social network you can think about. Probably most of those you don't even know about. So obviously Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn are the obvious ones, or sharing by email as well. But as you can see, you can as well click on more and have a list of tens of social networks which you might be a member of and make sense to you. Viadeo, for example, Reddit, obviously, all those that have been in the medias and that a lot of people are using. So whatever, depending on your ID and depending on your social presence, you're basically able to spread your ID as much as you can. So if I was to share it with Twitter, it basically takes you to um, the Twitter tweet editor. And as you can see, there's a link to your ID, and then you're able to add whatever you want, basically to emphasize on what you're trying to share and maximize chances people are actually going to click on the link and come and have a look at your ID. So pretty easy stuff there. Um, really straightforward, but very powerful in terms of getting your ID out there once it's ready. Obviously, private IDs. If you share it on Facebook, Twitter, or other social networks, when people actually click on the link, they'll get a message that the ID is private and that they need to be invited onto the ID before they can actually see the content. So you can still share it broadly, but most people won't be able to access it. So think about it wisely. But share this ID bar is very powerful feature, and hope you enjoy it.